Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to unexclude read chats from a folder on Telegram web using your PC, following the latest update. If you've noticed that some of your read chats are missing from a folder, it's likely because they've been excluded by the folder's settings. Let's walk through the simple steps to bring them back. First, open Telegram web on your browser and log in to your account. Once you're in, look towards the top of your chat list for the folders you've created. These folders help organize your chats, but sometimes their filters can hide conversations you want to see. Next, find the folder where your read chats are missing. Move your mouse over the folder name at the top side menu. Now, right-click on the folder. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Edit Folder. This will open up the folder's settings, where you can adjust which chats are included or excluded. Inside the folder settings, look for the option labeled Add Excluded Chats. Click on this button. Here, you'll see a list of chat types that are currently being excluded from the folder. One of these options is Read. If the box next to Read is checked, it means all chats you've already read are being kept out of this folder. To unexclude read chats, simply uncheck the box next to Read. This tells Telegram to include your read chats in the folder again. After you've made this change, don't forget to click the Save button at the bottom or top of the window. This will apply your new settings. Now, return to your folder. You'll see that your read chats are back and visible alongside your other conversations. This feature gives you more control over how you organize and access your chats, making sure nothing important gets hidden by accident. And that's it. You've successfully unexcluded read chats from your folder on Telegram web. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips for managing your chats and making the most of Telegram's powerful features. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.